Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna check out how to use ETFs on Robinhood. All right, let's get right into it. The first step, let's understand what ETFs are. So ETFs are a type of investment funds that trades on a stock exchange like individual stocks. Now ETF offers diversification by pooling funds to invest in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. So yeah, it's always pretty good. Think of it like this: instead of directly just buying investing in one stock, what ETF does is to take your money and they invest in a bunch of stocks, from all different. They pretty much diversify. They split up that and invest in a whole bunch of stocks. So that way the rate of risk is much lower. You have a lot more security there. So second step is to find and select an ETF to use, because there are different types. So first of all, what you want to do is to use the Robinhood app or website to search for ETFs by ticker symbol, name, or categories. So when you log into the Robinhood app or the website, you want to search for ETFs by ticker symbol or name or by category. Then you can filter the ETFs by categories such as index funds, sector funds, or bond funds, whichever one you want to use. Then choose the ETF you want to invest in. The third step is to check the ETF details. So when you choose an ETF, you have to review the ETF's overview, including its investment objectives, strategies, and risk. Then view the ETF holding, all right, including the top 10 holdings and sector allocations. Then you got to check the ETF's expense ratio and other fees. So just pay attention to all those details. Now the fourth step is to set your order. So once you've checked everything out, everything's all good with you, then you can set the order. And here's how you do it. The first thing you want to do is to set a market order to buy the ETFs at the current market price. Then set a limit order to buy the ETFs at a specific price or better. Or you can set a stop loss order to sell the ETF when it falls to a certain price. So the fifth step, of course, is to confirm and place your order. So the first thing you want to do is to review those order details, including the ETF symbol, quantity, and price, and make sure that everything is as it should be. Then confirm that you want to place the order. Tap or click place order to execute the trade, and once that is done, you got it. Now I got a couple of tips for you guys. The first is to learn about ETFs and their risk before investing. Okay, so you can't go into anything blind. You gotta make sure you understand what you're doing, and if you don't know what to choose, you don't know much about it, then you can learn about it. There are a lot of YouTube videos out there, a lot of books you can read on ETFs, getting a better understanding on it and all that. Now the second tip, of course, is to spread your investment across different asset classes and sectors. All right, ETF helps you to diversify, but it will also be great that you do not throw in all your money into just one. So you gotta also split. So let's say you got about $1 million you want to invest. All right, so don't just buy one. Don't put all the money into one ETF. Although ETF are safe, but it would still be great if you could split that up, maybe 250,000, and you can do that on 4 different portfolios. So that would pretty much be a great help to you. And the third and final tip is to keep an eye on your ETF investment and adjust your portfolio as needed. So you got it's an active game. It's as much as it is passive, it is active as well. So you got to also do some oversight to make sure that everything is going as they should. All right, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you find that useful. But of course, let me quickly show you guys a couple of popular ETFs on Robinhood that you can make use of. So you can check that out in the video. You can see we have a lot of all that. So there are a lot more on the app, so you can also check that out by yourself. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by liking the video, of course, and commenting down below to let me know what you think about it. Share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. But if you have, thank you so very much. We love you. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.